Alright, so this is how you change a fuse for your power outlets on a Kluger or Highland 2009. This is a Gen 2, so it should apply to 2008 to I think around 2013 versions. So first we'll start by popping up the main fuse box. It's just to get this fuse extractor. So the actual fuse we need to replace is a 10 amp, but as you can see I don't have any spare 10 amp fuse. So I've got a few spare fuses that I've purchased. Alright, so there are two 12-volt outlets on the Kluger and Kluger or Highlander, wherever you are currently at. So the Kluger is for Australia and the Highlander is for the US. So the concerned 12-volt port is this one right here, which is not working on my one. I've checked before, there's a blown fuse for it. So let me show you how to replace that one. So it's the same procedure in case this fuse blows on this 12-volt. So the fuse box is located under here. So we need to take this off, which is secured by 3 clips. So there's one clip here, and I think there's and you can leave this down as such, and the fuse box is right over there, and it comes to your hand. So here you just need to see, so ACC socket 1, accessory socket 2 and 1. Alright, and it should be a 10 amp for socket 1, and socket 2 is a 20 amp, hence. Alright, so that's been pulled out, and as you can see it's burnt. So that came out from that fuse port over there. So fix that one there. Alright, now as you can see the fuse is replaced and we see that there's power, and start. We're good to go.